Peace, family. This is Lions Den with another news and commentary. This article has show you that gun violence here in America is for real. I mean, this is January, ladies and gentlemen. This is January 2019, and 2019 is just the beginning. And look at all these the list of cities of all these mass shootings that happened this year. I mean, this month alone. And this is unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. And people want to come to you and have the audacity to tell you, well, what about black on black violence? Or what about what's going to happen in Chicago? Guess what? Look at all these. This doesn't lie. This is the list of cities in America in January of 2019 of all these mass shootings, including the incident that happened yesterday that I posted on the video of what happened in Houston, Texas. This doesn't lie, ladies and gentlemen. The list goes on, and I'm going to tell you all of the states, of the cities, and the months of what happened. This is unbelievable. Look what happened the day before yesterday, which was January 27th in Birmingham, Alabama. January 26th, Newark, New Jersey. And look at this. Mass shooting in one day. One day. Newark, New Jersey, Indianapolis, Indiana, Gonzales, Louisiana, and Albany, Georgia. This is mass shootings in one day. And again, and there's two mass shootings 2 days before that. Rockmart, Georgia, State College, Pennsylvania, and the incident that happened at a bank in Florida, Sebring, Florida, and then 2 days before that, Miami, Florida. But look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Not one, not two, not three, not four. Not one, not two, not three, but 4 mass shootings in one day, which was January 19th. And yet you talk about Chicago. Yeah, Chicago's on this list, of course, but not the way the media wants you to portray it to be. And the list goes on and on and on. And I'm going to tell you like this, ladies and gentlemen. And this is just the month of January. This is basically the month of January of all the mass shootings that happen here in America. And people want to come to you. People for the far right or the right wing would tell you, well, what about Chicago? What about black on black crime? This right here doesn't lie. This doesn't lie. All this list is just this month alone of January the 19th of all the different cities and towns that has mass shootings all across America. And it's really interesting because you see the addresses of the incident that took place, how many people that were killed and injured. But it goes to show, ladies and gentlemen, that we have a serious problem in America, and that's gun violence. But this is just the month of January. And we haven't even begun February yet, and still mass shootings is going on. And the mainstream media will never tell you this. They will never tell you all the shootings that took place here in America. You know, Fox News would never tell you that. MSNBC would never tell you this. CNN would never tell you this. You notice they try to sweep this under the rug when it comes to what's going on with R. Kelly, with Chris Brown, with Michael Jackson, with Bill. They'll tell you what's going on with them, but they never tell you how many cities and towns on this list that took place when it comes to mass shooting in America. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, stats doesn't lie. And all the cities and towns on this list is the incidents that took place when it comes to mass shooting. And guess what? We already know what color those mass shooters were. So don't come on my video, or don't comment on my channel saying, well, what about black on black crime? What about what's going on in Chicago? I don't want to hear that. And it's sad that the mainstream media ain't going to tell you about this statistics right here, and they're not going to, because they want you to be distracted on what the situation with Chris Brown, the situation with R. Kelly, the situation with Michael Jackson, and so on, and so on, and so on. And it's really interesting, ladies and gentlemen, that mass shooting has taken over America. Not black on black crime, but mass shootings. And this is just this month alone. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to check this this list out, because this is really, really scary. And it's funny that CNN likes to talk about R. Kelly, likes to talk about what Trump is doing, but never tell you guys how many cities and towns that's been affected because of mass shootings. And ladies and gentlemen, and like I said, and this is just January alone, and this is basically just the beginning. And this is really, really sad that people want to turn a blind eye on when it comes to entertainment, but not tell you what's really going on with these mass shootings. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this. Share this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe my reaction channel. And subscribe my Black Junction channel for all the news and commentary. With that being said, this is Lions Den signing off. Deuces.